I think we're getting to the point now that 2022 will be a year to remember for Dogecoin. A lot of things are anticipated. We just had Elon say that Tesla will actually be accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. I think that's kind of good news. We also have the whole Dogecoin to $1 campaign that's been going on forever. So people are anticipating that. And also Dogecoin is literally going to the moon. SpaceX and Elon Musk said that they are planning to do that in early 2022. So right now seems like the perfect time to follow up on Dogecoin and give you guys what we're looking forward to and what we're looking for in terms of price for the next year. And let's go. It's John here. Thank you for watching. Welcome back for all the people who are subscribed to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the one and only king of meme coins, Dogecoin. If you're a fan of Dogecoin, you're a fan of our channel, make sure you are liking this video by hitting that thumbs up button. Right now, Dogecoin, the price is not looking good since May. We did peak up there towards that 70-cent range. Now we are down trading around 20 cents. Price even dropped down as low as 12 cents. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys my price predictions for the next year and price targets, but let's waste no more time and let's jump right into it right away. So here we're on our channel's front page, and make sure you take the second right now to hit that subscribe button if you're not, and also like this video. We're almost getting there. 25K was the last goal. Now 30K subscribers is that next level we're trying to get at, and we just launched the Crypto Culture Show, so make sure you have a look at that with myself and also my co-host Tom and some special guests that we have weekly. To stay up to date with that, you can follow my Twitter as well. Much more crypto content and also crypto news on the fly. Now, coinmarketcap.com, it did glitch out today actually. Prices went crazy. People were freaking out. But if we're looking at Dogecoin, still looks good at about 18 cents. Current market cap, $23.7 billion, and it's entering the top 10 once again here. I'm guessing it's going to be one of the top traded cryptos on Currency.com for the past 24 hours. And yes, we have it right here, the number 4. And right now it has 84% buyers with 16% sellers. We had that breakout. Now price is retesting, and we'll see how this plays out. Now, important price levels for the new year, support and resistance. I'm going to mention support levels first and resistance, and then later on in the video, make sure you are staying tuned because I will show you exactly on the chart where those price levels are and exactly what they mean for the price of Dogecoin. Currently, right now, the first support is 15 cents. After that, I have 10 cents and then 5 cents. Now, I know those are pretty consistent numbers, but those three are actually important levels that I will show you later on. Now on resistance towards the upside, we have 21 cents, 30 cents, then 50 cents. And same thing with those levels, we need that to flip into support in order to get continue a nice smooth run up towards $1. Elon Musk just might have saved the day for Dogecoin. Things were looking bad this year. Now we had a nice 20% spike happen just now because they announced that Tesla will be accepting it for payments. But this is only for merchandise, so you can get your Tesla shorts. Elon and SpaceX, they are anticipating or planning on sending Dogecoin literally to the moon in the beginning of 2022. I'm going to keep that story covered because hopefully they kept their promise. And if they did, that's going to be a big marketing push for the meme coin industry. So the potential upside for Dogecoin, not only going to the moon, literally, I'm talking about the price of Dogecoin compared to other cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In terms of market cap, Dogecoin has a lot of room to grow. We could see it go 10x in this next year, maybe even 20x, who knows? As long as we have some type of sustainable price action happen for Dogecoin next year, I'm happy with that. And that's why I'm covering it right now, so you guys can have some realistic price targets to look at, because there are some ridiculous price targets, I ain't gonna lie, out there for Dogecoin. But we keep it real right here on the channel as always. Now it's time to jump into the chart and let me get your attention. So first right now for the Dogecoin, let's talk about those support and resistance levels that I mentioned earlier in the video. So right now, currently, first support, I do have 15 cents. And as you can see, that is right where we got the reversal today. And if you look, that was the lows since we had that major correction from the top in early May. And then we have 10 cents, and 10 cents is down here in this range. And that brings us right up towards the previous breakout high back in February of 2021 when price first broke out and then went into that long consolidation before making that major move up towards that 70-cent all-time high range. The last support I have is down at 5 cents, and 5 cents brings us right down towards this consolidation range from the beginning of 2021. So those are 3 supports. If we do break 15, come down, we got the 10-cent range and then the 5-cent range. Now for things to go up, the resistance levels I have right at around 20 cents. As you can see, that's an important level. It's right along the 20 and the 50-day moving average. And that is where price did try to hold support a few times and also flip into a resistance level. Then the next level after 20 cents, we have 30 cents, and which is right up here where price did try to break out to push towards new all-time highs after we had the May correction, but it failed 2 times, and now we are in this deeper correction. Now the last level of resistance is up towards 50 cents, and that would bring us to test the all-time high range for Dogecoin, which is right up here. And as you can see, that was where we got some trading range before the all-time high correction from May. There was quite a bit of psychological support and resistance in the 50-cent range. For the upside right now, like I just said, 20 cents, 30, and then 50. So we need to see 20 flip into a support, then the next major resistance will be up towards 30 cents. If we can't break out of there, then we most likely will see price have quite a bit of momentum to that next level at about 50 cents. Now, in terms of the analysis for the beginning of 2022, what am I looking at right now for Dogecoin? So look at this. We had this first breakout here, and then price went in this long consolidation for about 2 months, and then finally broke out, going on about a 10x, which is 1,000% run. Since then, Dogecoin failed to make new highs. It has been in a correction now, consolidation. It looks like forming lower supports, but right now it is holding this current level towards 15 cents where we really need to hold. If we do break down, we will see those supports get tested, but that doesn't mean we can't reach a new all-time high because it did it before. And depending on the hype of crypto and how things are going for Dogecoin, we can see it happen again. But if it does hold this level right here, that is a very good thing to happen going into 2022 if we hold a 50-cent level, because we can see price continue consolidating and then eventually start flipping those resistance levels into support and head for another test towards all-time high at about 70 cents. So for my price targets and it's good going into 2022, Dogecoin has been mostly oversold. So the selling pressure should slow down a bit going into 2022. If not, then yes, we will head down towards 10 cents, maybe even 5 cents, which does even give a better risk reward towards the upside. But that just means everybody right now, you will expect things to drop lower. And if we can start flipping those resistance into support levels, let's say 30 cents and 50 cents, my price target for 2022 will be at least $1 for Dogecoin, maybe even a little bit higher. We could see it go up to about $1.20, and then that's where we start seeing a major correction and things start coming back down, similar to what we just had happen here in 2021. And we get some more consolidation, giving us a higher low. Let's say that ends up being the previous all-time high range, and then Dogecoin gets that next leg up in the years to come, 2023, 2024. But for 2022, I'm looking at somewhere between $1 to $1.20 for Dogecoin on the bullish side. Now, let's say crypto does stay in this downtrend, and we see more downside coming for Dogecoin. How low can this thing go? I think things can go quite a bit lower, and I'm talking about all the way down towards, let's say, 5 cents, maybe even 1 cent, depending on how Bitcoin performs. We could see that as a really good buy the dip opportunity. The upside potential would be really high if you are looking to enter down in that range, because from that range just to all-time high, it is about 1,000% gain. But let's say if we were to push to $1, that gives you about a 2,000% gain, which is a really good risk reward for Dogecoin. So right now, if you are waiting to buy, I think it is actually better to wait either for a flip into this 30-cent range into support, and then you look for your entry in here, which is buy high, you sell even higher, or what you wait for is on the downside, you buy the dip, the major dip down here somewhere between 5 to 10 cent range, and then that is your entry spot for that next leg up for Dogecoin. But I think if Elon is sending Dogecoin to the moon, literally, and Tesla is accepting it for payments, the adoption overall would just grow and the demand would grow for Dogecoin, so that I can see at least flip this 20 cent range into support sometime in early 2022. It could even happen right here in December because we just had this massive run for Dogecoin, about 20% run. But one thing I noticed, we did have this happen also back here, and look what happened. That led with a rejection and then downside price action. So we could have the same thing happen, which brings us down to that buy to dip scenario. But let's say this is the reversal point and this is the bottom, because this situation does look a little bit different. If this is the bottom, then the first thing I'm looking for is 20 cents to flip into support, then 30 cents. Then I think the bulls are coming back to take control for Dogecoin to head up towards all-time high and potentially even $1. Well, I think this is going to be our last Dogecoin analysis for this year. It was a very good 2021, and it was actually one of the most viewed videos here on the channel. I think at the beginning of the year, one of our analysis now has over 50,000 views. So we really appreciate all the support. If you are part of the Dogecoin fam, you're not following the channel, make sure right now is the time to subscribe and also to hit that like button to help us out so more people can see our channel. Hopefully I see you again in the next videos to come as we round up the year. If not, I wish you guys a happy new year, and I'll be back for more in 2022. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.